Big disclaimer, we are not trading professionals. Please consult a professional for financial advice. Trading stocks is risky, with nearly 90% of people losing their money. That being said, if you have some money that you want to experiment with, and don't need for your rent mortgage, here are some tips on trading the stock market. It is important to understand how to get started with day trading stocks. Day trading is a hazardous business and requires some skill, knowledge, and training to succeed. Many stocks will make you a great deal of money, but then there are the ones that will completely wipe out your bank account. It takes a bit of experience to pick stocks that you think will bring you profits, but it also requires a little knowledge of the stock market itself. This knowledge and skill can be learned, and most successful traders have studied their trade in depth. The stock market, in general, is full of big-name companies, and these are the kinds of companies that most people go for in the beginning. You want to learn about these companies to be familiar with all of them and their history. How to get started with day trading stocks is also about knowing what kind of company to avoid and what kind of stock is good to invest in. You do not want to get into any company with a lot of debt or has a lot of complaints filed against them. You also do not want to be involved with any highly leveraged companies and have a high stock level. These types of stocks are usually called high-risk trades, and they are generally considered the most dangerous trade in the world of trading. The higher the percentage of ownership of stock has, the riskier it is. If you are looking at a company with a high ownership level, the best thing to do is take the company's stock out of your portfolio completely. You also need to know about day trading and the different strategies used to get started with day trading stocks. It is important to know about technical analysis and trend trading, which are basically following the movement of the stock market. You need to know about charts and graphs, as well as trends. Learning about these things will give you a deeper understanding of the stock market and help you decide when to buy or sell a particular stock. Once you know the fundamentals of day trading, you can move on to the more complex aspects of the trade, such as choosing which stocks to buy and sell and the best time to enter and exit the market. You also need to understand what indicators to look for and what strategy to use to increase your profits. Understanding the basics of the stock market will help you make a great deal of money, but you also need to take the time to learn the finer details. Day trading can be very profitable if you are willing to put in the effort to learn all you can. There are a few things that you should never do when you are going through the learning curve. First off, do not become too emotionally attached to any one stock. Stock market investing is an exciting business, but it is also a very volatile and risky business, and you have to realize this. Be sure that you do not get too caught up in learning about a variety of different markets. You do not want to get too far ahead of yourself because you could end up losing a lot of money or even losing everything. Just learn about a few stocks in your area and get a feel for what the market looks like in the overall market. Learn about technical indicators, trend charts, and learn different trading techniques before you ever get too deeply into a particular trade. When you get more comfortable, you can start to take your trade into the realm of more sophisticated techniques. Once you learn the basic techniques, you can go on more sophisticated technical trading techniques and learn all kinds of things. You can get started with day trading stocks by following a few simple steps, and then you will have mastered all of the basics and know the ins and outs of the stock market. You will be able to get started in no time at all. Remember, it is about taking action,